Today we're going to have a look at the Vorwerk Dry Cleaning system. Yes, me and Charlie, who's here, come here, are going to attempt to see how well the Vorwerk carpet cleaning system does work at cleaning carpets. That's right. Should we get on with it? Hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? You got your camera, I've got my camera. Today we're going to show the folks all about the Vorwerk Dry Carpet Cleaning System. Yes, so Self and Charlie are going to have a crack at giving our carpet a bit of a clean and see how well the Vorwerk system works. Charlie's got his little camera on here. There you go, look. There you go. Yeah. So we're going to have a little read on the manual to see what we have to do. So congratulations. Touch that. We are now the proud owners. Sit down, Charlie. I'll read you a story. We are now the proud owners of the unique Vorwerk home care system. Blah, 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 blah. We want page 18. Dry cleaning. Yeah, ow. And on page 18, it gives us the description. Stop. We need the VTF731. Well, we have a VTF731 sat over there. And Kobosan cleaning snow for rugs and carpeting. I'll scan all this in. The sun's really bright today. Although we are covered in snow here. So, first, dry cleaning. Before dry cleaning, vacuum thoroughly. Righto. There we go, we are vacuumed. What's next? Well, step 2 says spread Kobosan evenly over the carpet. One bag lasts for about 4 or 5 square metres. I don't think we need a whole bag. Then it basically says how to use it. So what I think I'll do, I'll set the angle up differently. We'll get that changed. In fact, we get that changed now. That's all I've got to do is we take the handle off of the machine, so we don't need any of this for now. You can go over there. What we need to do is get the VTF731 and that's it. We are now ready to do some dry cleaning. Let's spread some powder. Right, let's spread the snow. So Charlie, out the way please. Get yourself a watch or film, visual camera. There we go, this is a white sort of powder. Very damp, doesn't really clump together. Yeah, that's right, I presume this is child safe. It is. I've read up on it. And all we need to do is work the powder in with the VTF731. every now and again we need to just bash out the head, which brings a load more powder out from around the brushes. Yeah. Sit on the sofa. There we go. Working the powder. It's spreading quite far just from this brush, really. Away. Well, I can already see the pile coming up quite nicely. I'll move over it slowly now. Just really working in. This floor head has sponges on it. The newer ones are a brush. These use a sponge, so unlike the Dyson absorption system, which uses the brush roll, let's come this way now. Yes, now. It's not working at all in, it's still clumps of it everywhere. So whether I'm in deeper pile carpet, I'm not entirely sure. I guess we'll find out, won't we? Right, I think I'm going to call this done in a second. There we go, that's the sponges that get utterly filthy and caked in the stuff. They're quite damp as well. So now what we need to do, I'll leave that back here out of the way, is wait for it to dry. Now at the minute the carpet does feel quite damp. There's lots of piles of this powder which has been worn in. If I shut the curtain, there we go, you can see that a bit better now. It's been broken in and it's a bit more fluffier and it's grey. So we'll come back. How long does it say to wait? We need to wait. It doesn't say. It just says when dry. 1 to 3 hours. We can wait 1 to 3 hours. See you in 1 to 3 hours. And here we are, an hour and a half later. Charlie's eating a packet of crisps. I'm just going to show you what this now looks like. So here's the stuff that it didn't quite pick up before. It's just a dry powder now. But what it's also done is pick out loads of bits of fluff. A little bit of a confession. When I stopped filming the spreading it about, I read the actual packet on the snow and it said 15 to 25 minutes. So I spent another 15 minutes going over it again, really, before it's fully dried. And that's when it started pulling up all these little chunks of fluff. So there we go, there's the thing. We best convert that back into a vacuum cleaner and get rid of it. So, all I need to do is take the electrics off of the head, pop that there, get the vacuum cleaner part and just put the electrics back in. Job done, here we go. say, the new brushes on that head do help a lot, and it feels a lot softer and ever so slightly deeper pile wise compared to the bits that I haven't done. However, what I did do is I put down some tape in a square to see if we can spot a difference. I'm just going to vacuum it again to get rid of any that might have popped underneath. And to my terrible eyes, pick you up. Yes, look, here's the tape. I'm not lying to you. It has lightened up the pile just a little bit. It's not much different to the eye. Moving you around now, let's be honest, but it has done something. No more tape, Charlie, thank you. No, we're done with that now. Yes. Look, Charlie, can you see the square? Where's the square on the carpet? You point. Where? You point. Where's the square? No, that's a stain. Square. Where's the square? Yeah. Good boy. There's one more thing that I should possibly show you. I got a little bit bored. I need to open the curtain, but I also snowed in here. Let's see how well that comes up. I'll keep you in shaky handy mode for this. And there we go. Really, that's the bag in there. I don't think we can see too much. Even if I do put the little light on that's on the camera, you can't really see. You can see a little bit. Full of dust and dirt. I'm not going to take it all out because it will be terrible, but you can just see there that it is full of snow. Look, my torch. Snow on. Yes, snow! Where's the snow? Oh. No, you want the torch, do you? Oh, go on then. So yes, there we go. And there's. Oh no, my little filter thing is going to be full of rubbish now. That's the sound deadening filter that had all broken apart. I had to redo it. I've still got the motor to swap out in this, so it's not the end of the world if it gets a bit filthy now. But there we go. We have snowed. Ooh. And what do the instructions say once we have snowed? We've done that bit. We've left the windows open. It's dried. Ah, that's it. Caution, do not burn paper bag containing Kobosan. Oh, we might have to do that one day. But there we go. So, from me Vorwerk, for now, it is ta-ra for the rest of March. Once Charlie's finished seeing what's in there. What can you see? Oh, electrics. Yeah, there's an electrical connection in there. Bless. Right, I'm going to carry on. The washing machine is about to finish. I do need to vacuum. That's the other problem with this system. The floor head is so low to the carpet that, look, it just pushes bits of snow where it's clumped up into little balls. It can't pick them up, so I'm now going to get the tools out and go around all of this and get all of that out. Yes, that's all. You made it flash red. How lovely. Right. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.